minimal, cause I'm a criminal. Way before the rap shit, bust the gat shit. Puff don't even know what happened if it's done smoothly. Silencers on the Uzi, stash in the hoopty. My alibi, any cutie. With a booty that done fuck Big Pop. Head spinning, reminiscing about my man C-Rock. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow. Somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow. Somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid. Bitch. Filling clips, he explained our situation precisely, so we know exactly what we facing. Some kid named Jason in the Honda station, ragging was bragging about how much loot and crack he stacking. Rock had a grip, so they formed up a clique, a small crew. Around the time I was locked up with you, true indeed. But nigga, let me proceed. Don't fill them clips too high, get them bullets room to breathe. Damn, where was I? Yeah, went out of town, blew the fuck up. D-Rock went home and Jay got stuck the fuck up. Hit him twice, caught him right for the Persian wife. Pistol whipped his kids and taped up his wife. He figured Rock set him up, no question. Wet him up, no less than 50 shots in his direction. How many shots, man, nigga? I see mad holes. What kind of gas? Hitchling, cots, and calicos. But fuck that, I know where all them niggas rest at. In the building hustling, and they don't be strapped. Supreme and Black is downstairs, the engine running. Find a bag to put the guns in and come on if you're coming. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow. Somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid. Somebody got to die. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let the gunshots blow. Somebody got to die. Nobody got to know that I killed your ass in the mid. Bitch.
What's going on, chat? Let's get some W's in chat. Can y'all hear me? What's good? What's good? What's good? Let's open this all up. That's crazy that I had to pull back. Let's get some W's. Well, let's pop y'all out. Pop out that chat. Hell yeah. What up, Tim? What up, Matt? What up, Malik? NLT Jacko in the building. What up, Naveed? Good to see you all. Thank y'all for being here. Bro, GJ's playing out so nicely. Put it right in my face. All right, guys, this is GJ right now. What do you guys see and what do you think I'm gonna say? What do you guys see on GJ right now? And what do you guys think I'm gonna say? Let's see if anyone in the chat can guess what I'm gonna say before. Come on, chat. What do y'all see on GJ? Money. Yeah. Asia low sweep money. Exactly. Liquidity. Nice, beautiful liquidity sweep. W. Continuation. So if you guys look left, clearly in a bullish impulse from last night, kind of consolidated. When we were making lower highs coming down, we swept these Asia lows very beautifully right here. Not only once, we actually came back down again, hitting right off this 200 MA to then go. I honestly was not on the charts right here, or else this would have been the entry 100%. 100%. Aim for the highs right here. Nice, almost 1 to 3, 2.8 right there, just going to the highs. And you can see the highs were already hit. So this was like a beautiful, oh, I guess not exactly. Let's see right here. Like right to the T, but yeah. So you might be thinking, oh, Luca, does that mean no trade? No, that doesn't mean no trade. That just means what I'm gonna do personally is I'm gonna draw my fib from this low to this high, and I'm not waiting for a pullback into discount to continue, because I'm even more. Not only was I already bullish, but now that we've gotten the pullback, swept lows, and then distributed again. Now I can just wait for that higher low to continue higher. Doesn't mean I missed the whole move, you know. Good morning, what up, RJT46? How you guys doing? The Legacy. Good to see all my people in the building. That's what I'd wait for on GJ. Pretty self-explanatory. Hopping over to gold, all it's done is make all-time high. So I won't be touching gold, guys. This is the highest gold has ever been, which means that, we're bullish, but I'm a trader that has to see pullback. So, I mean, like if I was gonna draw a fib, even like this low, I mean, you could do this whole fib level, but I would even pay attention to right here. And that's not even deep enough for retracement. I would want to see like price come all the way back down in this area before potentially continuing higher. Oh. It just depends. But obviously bullish. But I'm not going to short it, so that's why the reason I'm just going to stay away from it. Let's go over the trades from last night, guys, because a lot of them snuck away. So if you guys were on the live stream last night, I ended up copying off a little bit earlier because my stream wasn't really working. But ultimately, once London was kind of opening, we've gotten just, once again, kind of bullish. I showed you guys on GU that we broke structure twice. So that because he broke structure here, then we got the pullback in the trend line break. I was waiting for a little bit of a retracement to go, but you can see here it just popped up, came back down into entry, and continued all night. So still bullish on this GU move. If you guys were on the stream last night, you guys should remember my breakdown of like us being bearish until we got the break of structure, liquidity grab, and then break of structure again. to then continue down and continue higher. So GU is beautiful on the way up. Now that we're getting into London, similar type thing where we're just gonna pull back to continue. There's a demand right here, like that, and we're getting a nice play off of that. So I'm gonna delete this fib and just pay attention to current structure, kind of right in here, and just wait for another higher low. I'm just following structure up. You feel me? Put some W's in the chat. That makes sense, guys. You guys following along? How's everyone's week going so far? Oh, my throat's been hurting. Is there any other pairs you guys like really want me to look at tonight that maybe I'm missing out on? I'd kind of tapped around and looked at them, you know, right before the session, but I'm just waiting to see. USD CAD, big distribution. You can see we've had the pullback and then pull back up into here. I'm not entirely, you know, bearish yet. But I would say that this definitely is forming that structure where we've gotten the distribution above these highs, pull back up into it to potentially come back down. This could just be the fake out to continue. So pay attention to that, because if USD CAD sells, that means buys on GU. You know, if you guys didn't know that. So, you know, USD CAD is there. I would say it's not the best. UJ is bullish, but a good thing that if some of you guys want to take some notes or write down is that we have exposed Asia lows and previous session lows right here, while also taking out highs. So I'm not really like that interested in trying to take like buys somewhere down in this area or anything, because I think we're actually going to be coming down lower to sweep that out before continuing higher. That makes sense. So UJ's already swept highs and such with exposed lows, so I wouldn't really trade that. EU, I see the legacy asked about EU. We can kind of remove the drawings. I was talking about last night was, if you go to the hourly last night, because the trade that I wanted from last night didn't even end up playing out with the buys, but we did come now and sweep this low, come up, we're making a higher low to continue higher. So kind of goes back to where the impulse leg's coming from, which I would say this. So similar to like GJ is just following current structure and understanding that we're bullish, but just waiting for a slight little retracement. Oh. Slight little retracement to continue higher. So on GJ and EU, that's what I would say. AU is doing something kind of similar. Making lower highs, lower lows, continuing down. So what we need to do is wait for some sort of low to be held. So I'm going to mark up this level of demand right into here, because all we've done is break structure, come back up, break structure, come back up, break structure, come back up, break structure, come back up. So I need structure to actually hold, and then I can look at this, look for a little trend line break right into here, kind of like this, and then this would be entry right here. Does that make sense, chat? I'm gonna put a 44 in the chat if y'all see this. 44, 44, 44. 44, 44, 44. Come on now, come on now, come on now. Let's see them 44s. Hell yeah. I appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Getting back down now into it. Yeah, I mean, USD CAD to me wasn't really it. Let's hop over to Jer. Ooh, this looks ugly from last night. You know, see this built up liquidity. Full trend. This is J30, guys. We've kind of broken to the downside. I would probably do some sort of like maybe downward fib here. Waiting for a retracement and discount to go shorter. Probably wait for it to divert tonight. NAS, you want me to go over NAS? So this morning I was trying to play off this 1 hour supply to the left. Here, let me get rid of these now. Let me get rid of these. So earlier this morning when I was looking at price, I saw us have this supply to the left up in here on a lower time frame where I wanted price to take out these highs and tap in, which it kind of did for this minor move. Because I wanted to sell down, take out the liquidity sitting below here, but we actually ended up continuing higher. So now that we've actually continued and broken this high, it's all up to kind of structure now to show us changing from higher highs and higher lows to then lower highs and lower lows. So dropping down even to the 5 minute, you can see here that this still hasn't broken this structure over here to the left like this. So this still could just be a pullback to continue higher. So I think that this is an impulse to come back down to potentially continue higher on NASDAQ. USD CAD, I already went over USD CAD. If you look at it, it's kind of confusing because you go to the hourly, we're like super bullish and we kind of come down and made a higher low to continue up. But we're now that we've rejected and made rejected these highs, this is the first kind of I would say indication of price potentially taking liquidity and then changing direction, this holding this high and being the first like lower high of the move. So what would validate that is getting like a lower low to be created, which would be taking out these lows, waiting for the retracement up to then go shorter overall. If that makes sense. And that would cause GU and them to go up, which is what we want. We go over to GU and such, and they're having the move that we already. I mean, damn. I mean, GU was fire. GJ was like the trade of the night. It does the same thing all the time when it comes to just distribution, price pulling back, kind of a trend line break. Like you can just see all these highs. You know, even from up here, just drawing them across like this, just waiting for that pull back down, liquidity grab, distribution. Nice, thanks, chef. I'm here chefing it up, cooking it up in the crock pot. Y'all already know. Let's go over like SPX. Nothing really. US 30. US 30 looks similar where we're sweeping lows, continuing higher. So just goes back to fibbing up the leg, waiting for just the higher low as of now. And GJ. Here's the UK 100 as well. UK 100 had the first example kind of a 3-step occurring because we were bearish, making lower highs, lower lows until we did sweep this low. But what makes this a market structure shift is us actually, you know, going high, taking liquidity, then instantly dropping down, taking liquidity above, and then us coming back and breaking structure to the top side. So We broke lows first and then broke highs, so now I consider that a lower time frame change of character market structure shift, where I can fib that up, and then this is where I'd wait for the retracement on UK 100 to continue higher. Yeah, I got that chat, and that's on UK 100. I haven't really traded that much, really, that, you know, but that's for y'all. I like pills and Percocet. What a crazy move, EU. I see you. Guys, I want everyone in the chat right now. Tell me, what is your guys' record for the week so far? How many trades have you taken? How many trades have you won? Everyone be transparent in the chat. How many y'all at? It's rough, fam. Come on, let me know. Let me know how rough is it. You know what I'm saying? Six trades, 6 wins. Okay, Naveed. Undefeated for the week into 6 trades. Someone fact check my boy. Okay. 1-0. Let's go, Lewis. Was it that Nas one today? Bro, you fucking outsmarted me today. You got into the one I wanted and I tried to chase the opposite direction. That's when the Padawan becomes the Jedi. So great, bro. I love to see it. Just goes to show that when you're patient, bro, we don't need to take, you know, hella trades. It's only Tuesday, really. About to be Wednesday. You know, probably take 1 or 2 more trades. I'm telling you guys, I take like 3 trades a week. Sweet spot. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, out of the 3 trades, I usually win at least 2 out of the 3. And even if I do only win 1 out of the 3, I usually am going for 1 to 3. So it's like, I'm only down 2%. If I go for 1 to 3, I'll still be up 1% of the week. Course dropping soon. Hell yeah. EU. GU continue higher a little bit as well. GJ. Pulling back into discount a little bit. Let's see, GA. GA has a nice impulse leg as well. As you guys can see, we're starting to get back into discount. It's kind of rejected there. You know about gold though? Like, are we really just gonna channel higher and higher? Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. I mean, it's all time highs. I don't know. I don't even know why I would even try. We'll touch it tomorrow. EU. If you guys wanted to try to sell EU, you could. I just think it's bullish. But we are back up into the supply. right up into here, kind of took it out. So if price did end up going bearish for the night, this is probably where it would go from. Let's go to the DXY. Damn, so this ended up happening on the DXY. I really knew it. You guys can see I anticipated price coming up into the fib level, take it down and continuing lower. So now that that's actually gonna happen, let's start drawing and removing some of this. And you can kind of see, like, once you've come and taken liquidity and distributed down here to this low, taken out, kind of continuing up higher again. I would say price on the DXY is coming back down to this demand kind of. So wait and see. If this continues bearish, those will continue bullish. But if these go bullish right now, I don't know. I want to see a little bit of a deeper pullback. Then we'll see. There's GJ's there. GU's not quite there yet. So I'll wait to see. I definitely could see it going a little farther. Gold, annoying. How about JPY basket? JPY basket, let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, kind of consolidated. Definitely bearish. Looks like it could swing high a little bit, but I want to try and call bottoms. Easy. 30-minute. Starting to look like it wants to push a little bit higher. But definitely wait and see for that. This swept that Asia low. We distributed, broke highs, and now tapping back in. So we can go kind of bullish from here, which would mean bearish on GJ. If we're bullish on JPY basket, that means we're bearish on GJ. If we're bullish on GJ, it means we're bearish on the JPY basket. Can I see your fib settings, Luca? Yes. For everyone out there, here is the settings. You already know. Price is back in discount, but that's why it's important to go check out the JPY basket as well. Because it looks like it might go bullish off of it, which means more bearish off of GJ. But wait and see for sure. Because I do see a lot of built up liquidity like this. Ooh, chat, I need you guys' help with something. I need your guys' help with something. Actually, here, I'm not gonna do all of them. I'll do. I'm grabbing these real quick, chat, and then I'll show you. All right, boom. All right, chat, who's here? Put some ones in the chat. Put some W's in the chat, actually. Put some motherfucking W's in the chat. I need you guys' help with something. When I see enough W's in the chat, we'll get to it. Where's the W's? More W's in that chat, come on. All right, I see those W's. I see those W's. So, I am looking to do some sort of new wrap on my car. I was looking at doing it like a light gray or maybe a white, like just some sort of different color. But I feel like it's just not me. So I was looking up different types of blues. I was talking to the guy who wrapped my car. Because he's going to be the same guy to rewrap it and such. And I want to bring you guys through the different blues that he had sent me that I'm looking at and have you guys kind of pick. Okay? Does that sound good? Everyone put a 44 in the chat if you're down for that. 44 in the chat if you are down for that. What's up, Dix? All right. So I don't want to tell you guys the whole wrap idea because I want it to be some sort of a surprise. But these are the blues that will be under all the other stuff I want to do, like this. So let's go through it all. It all might look a little similar, but they're different in a little bit. Okay, so everyone look at this one first. This type of blue, and then we got like this. You know, a little bit of like a lighter, kind of like a sea glass kind of blue. You know. Then we got this one that's kind of the one that that like looks like it already, but it's more glossy. The one I have right now is matte, so I want more of a glossy one because when I see glossy Porsches around, they look really good. And then we got this one, which would be a little bit more similar to what I have now, but glossy, not matte. And then this. Those are all the options. They all look a little similar, but they're different in their own way. So I can read them to you, what the different ones are called, okay? So, this Lamborghini one's called Super Gloss Tanager Blue. That's that one. This one is Super Gloss Tiffany Blue. This is apparently Super Gloss Glacier Blue. This is called Super Gloss Mason Blue. And then this one is called Porsche Bentley Gloss PET Ice Blue. So is there any of them that you guys are like, ooh, like that's fire? I'm gonna slowly go through them. Imagine it on my car. So my car looks like this. So it's like, you know. What do y'all think? What do y'all think, chat? Katharina said first one. So you like the Bentley ice blue? I think this is the ice blue. Damn, Tim said the ice blue too. Y'all like this one? What's on the AMG? That's the one on the AMG looks kind of sick, right? Like the light, like almost like a gray. I was like in like, but this is the thing is that between these two are the most like, pretty clean. Like the colors on the Mercedes GT and the Lambo. Okay, so you like the GT also? And the Lambo. So the Lambo was the first one that I looked at. I liked this one first. I thought this would be cool because it's not as like bright as the Tiffany blue anymore. But it's still like a nice bright blue that would stand out. So my whole thing is I still want to like stand out. You know what I'm saying? Like the whole reason my blue is like the matte is because I want to piss some people off. Like why not, bro? Like, you know, they're gonna be mad at a young person fucking driving a Porsche anyways. Why not? You know. Not for real though. Yeah, let's do a poll. Not everyone is voting, so we'll do a voting between 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just skip over this. This one's basically the one I already have. Start a poll. Which one? It's a Porsche Ice Blue. Mercedes. Let's go like a seal blue. Seal blue. Then we got this is also Mercedes. Or is this the Mercedes one you guys were talking about? Go on the AM. Oh no, because you said AMG, the other one. This one we're calling Tiffany. Tiffany Blue Mercedes. And then Lambo. All right, before you guys vote, we're gonna go through them. So this is the Porsche Ice Blue. This is the Mercedes like Seal Blue. This is the Tiffany Blue Mercedes, and this is the Lambo. So you guys pick the color. I know that for the cars, you guys probably want like the Lambo or something, but the color, that's the Lambo. This is the Tiffany Blue one. This is like that light Mercedes one. And this is that gloss for the Porsche Ice Blue. So still going through it. Y'all pick, y'all pick. Ooh. Or this one. Or what? Look what we're looking at. Which one do you like? This? Huh? No, the color. Where's the watch here? This? That blue? That one's kind of what I already have. This one? Or that one? I like pills and Percocet. Damn, everyone, ooh, really? You guys are all liking this one? You guys like, I think you guys might like it because of the car though. That's the, like, I wish there was the same one like every car. What is it? What does everyone like about this one? Wouldn't do a different color completely? I mean, Lewis, if it looks good, if you can convince me and like give me a color, but everyone always tells me black. My Porsche is already black, guys. If I take my wrap off, it's already black. It just looks so regular. Everyone has a black Porsche. Then I was looking at the white ones. The white ones would look sick if it has like kind of maybe like red interior. Mine has black interior. So the white just once again looks kind of regular. I want a color that stands out. So besides black, or I could get like a matte black, but my friend at the gym has a matte black one and it looks sick, but it just still doesn't like, I just want it to pop. And I don't want a red one. Cowboy's got his red car. Can't do purple. Mamba's purple. Yellow would be just crazy. Like a green would be fucking. Y'all know my friend. Y'all know T-Mac. Y'all know my boy T-Mac. Look at his new Porsche. I like those. What? I just haven't posted a picture of it yet. That's crazy. Hasn't even posted a picture of it. Never mind. That's so funny. Porsche Ruby Star. Bro, what? Bro, what? Chat, what do we think? Nah, bro. I get if it's a, you know, like Alex G says, he says, what color is your Bugatti? But this would be, I mean, with the carbon GT3RS, that's different. Y'all fucking with this or what? Is this the one you meant, bro? That's a ballsy suggestion. What's the JPR basket doing, bro? Are we really gonna continue lower? So there's been no lows taken out on GJ at all. So that's why I wouldn't take this first initial bounce off this. I need this to kind of come up, distribute off, and then take out these lows to tap in here to look for an entry to go higher. Anyone else have any suggestions? Oh my god. This is disgusting. What the hell? Are you guys talking in the chat? Nothing's moving. My shit fucked. Hello, hello, hello. My shit's delayed a little bit right now. This is gross. It's like my new. This is like now what I want. New goal unlocked, chat. New goal unlocked. DXY shooting up off of that demand, causing sells on GU and such. Told you EU is probably going to distribute off this high, but you know, waiting to see. I like pills and Percocet. The USD CAD. If those other pairs are gonna go bearish, that means USD CAD would actually end up going bullish. This 15 minutes setting up. The hourly just opened, so I definitely would wait for a closure on the 15. But could just be a break and retest demand play. Break and retest demand play for USD CAD. Scratch that if we're going to go higher. We can check out the DXY. Because the DXY is going to be reacting off this demand. If this comes back down, like this distributes up and then kind of comes back down like that, you know, you can kind of anticipate that for some more buys. Where if the DXY comes back down, holds and distributes up, so is USD CAD in the same way. So I'm going to wait for a 15-minute closure because the 5-minute looks kind of different, but so that 15-minute candle is what is kind of the entry. Mexico blue. Oh, damn, that's pretty. That's super pretty. I like that one a little more. I just like the lighter. Lewis, I never heard back from you. Is that was that ruby one the one that you're talking about? Is that what you would want? You'd want like the pink one? Damn, retracement right off the 50%. Kind of missed that. What about FTSE? Pulling back in. As so I'd look for it. Yeah, the color looks crazy. I know, that shit looks crazy. Now that's like a fuck you color. Talk about standing out. Sure, for sure. First things first, when I pop, I'ma get your hoe thirsty. I sign my paychecks in cursive, I'm worthy. Bro, Baby Keem Loki is fire. I can't even lie. This is a nice play, guys. I definitely think this could play out. I just don't like how we've only had one rejection. Whenever I see a price push down and reject, it could easily push that back down further. So I wait for it to come down and kind of establish support before continuing, you know, higher. I sign my paychecks in cursive, I'm worthy. Nick, are you here still? Nix. First things first, when I pop, I'ma get your hoe thirsty. I sign my paychecks in cursive, I'm worthy. Then there ain't no way. I didn't got that. Cause I skirted. I just can't put you up. She asked me to when I started. Just beautiful. Off the fib level. Right into the golden zone. End of what? UJ consolidating hard. It's looking like GU starting to go bullish a little bit. If we get more of a push on there, it'll send USD CAD down. So that could be a good no trade. Gold, same old. Clearly in a distribution. Play of the night so far was the Asia lows, getting swept and then held for a trendline break for this impulse. It ended up coming up to the high, so this would have been a quick just up, out. Hello. Why does that always happen? I should have buy like a freaking new PC entirely. Hello. I should have buy like a freaking new PC. All right, it's not that delayed. All right. Is that why you said end? The end of the stream? My bad. What the frick happened? USD CAD needs to stop playing. We'll get that push on the 15 on USD CAD though. NAS. The respect of this demand distributed, you just need a lower high. I mean a higher low. I hope y'all know too, like whenever I draw stuff like this, I usually will keep it up until the next night too. So like a lot of you guys will see me get back on the charts and see like what ended up playing out based upon my analysis if I didn't take a trade on it. Because obviously I usually, like lately it's just been GJ or gold. It's literally all I've been really trading in NAS. NAS is in the mornings though. Can't believe the 15-minute ended up doing that anyways. Crazy, crazy. Feeling like the Black Paisley. As man, nah, there ain't no way. Why does this always happen to me? Why does this always happen to me? Hello? To the next night too, so a lot of you guys will see me get back on the chart. See like I'll chop you too. 15-minute close too. So usually what I'll do here is if I really, really like it, I'll fib up that 15-minute. Just that 15-minute candle. And yeah, we're already coming out of the discount. EU sweep. Oh. Damn, how did I not realize that? Okay, Lewis. Lewis, you're a go, bro. I'm telling you. Sooner or later, you, sir, are going to be making some crazy profits. Damn, fire sweep. All right, now I have that. I have the bearish fib drawn up. Matched up right with the golden zone. Let's wait and see. World War III or not? I don't know. Damn, hello. I don't even know what's happening. That is fucking funny.